Welcome back to Sleekcraft Sunday. Well, in this case, more like a CB Sunday, I guess. As you can see, there's a lot of snow right here. We got winter way early this year. Typically, it doesn't snow until after Thanksgiving. I did winterize the Red Sleek Danger Zone, and the guy I was going to have come wrap this boat ran out of material, so I need to figure out how to protect this thing for winter. I'm also a little worried that I may have already destroyed my gear case because it was tipped up and now it's full of snow. So we're going to try to get that trimmed down. And also, I don't know if you noticed, but I have some killer new seats in here. Again, thanks to Jason for making me spend money. You know, actually, he's caused me to buy this boat and a car recently, and these seats. Like, stop sending me things. So I built this a few years ago for a different boat, but I think it should work. I'm gonna rip off the stands here on the bottom because they're covered with frozen leaves, and it's not very sturdy. So we're gonna throw some more fasteners in there and see if we can get it nice and stiff.
Nice and stiff.
We'll turn this around. We'll turn this around.
Well, there you go, double bag, because I don't know where this thing has been. It should be okay. Hopefully nothing gets too trashed over winter. I do have some other projects lined up for this winter, but I do have a channel announcement, which is that this channel will become primarily marine focused, and I'll kick the car stuff over to some other channels. So stay tuned for that, all right? Cheers, dudes.